Avarapan is one film from Mohit Suri's filmography that wasn't just about love, it was about emptiness. A tragic romance that left you with more silence than answers. And now they're making Avarapan 2. But the part that's left me in despair is that Mohit Suri isn't directing it.
आवारापन 2 आप क्यों नहीं डायरेक्ट कर रहे हो?
क्योंकि मुझे ऑफर नहीं किया गया
सच्ची?
जी नो डिस्कशन एट ऑल.
It's crazy that a man whose brainchild Avarapan wasn't even consulted to direct its sequel. हाँ, ये एक रीमेक है साउथ कोरियन फिल्म अ बिटर स्वीट लाइफ का, मगर आवारापन का जो सबसे मैजिकल पार्ट है, जो इमरान हाशमी की हॉन्टिंग बैक स्टोरी है, that's Mohit Suri's creation. And now they're going to bastardize it with a different director who might do justice to the film, but I doubt if he does justice to the poetry of it. See, I'm making a detailed video on the poetry of Avarapan and why it's a masterpiece by Mohit Suri, which will come out next week. Please usko dekhna zarur. That video is very close to my heart. But for now, I have some latest news on Avarapan जिससे शायद थोड़ी जान में जान आ जाए. और अगर नहीं आए तो गॉसिप समझ कर ही पूरा देख लेना. So immediately a question comes up, without Mohit Suri, does it even feel like Avarapan anymore? Mohit Suri has this strange genius. He's renowned to make larger than life love stories, but I see him as a great mind who writes vacuums like no one else. Something I'll explain in detail in the next video. So when I heard someone else is directing part 2, I thought, is this just another cash grabbing sequel to a cult? You know, the kind where they slap a brand name on and hope nostalgia sells. But then I came across something recently that made me pause. Apparently, the writer of Bads of Bollywood is writing Avarapan 2. And if you watch that show, you know how he treated Imran Hashmi. And that's the twist that suddenly changes things. Because now the big question isn't just can Avarapan work without Mohit, it's also can this writer actually save it. Bads of Bollywood में जो उसने डिलीवर किया, स्पेशली जिस तरीके से उसने इमरान को प्रोजेक्ट किया, उसको देख के मुझे पक्का लगता है कि ये तो बिल्कुल हमारी तरह फैन है. या फिर उसने जानबूझ के हाइप क्रिएट किया एक ऐसे स्टार का जिसका अगला प्रोजेक्ट उसके साथ है. दोनों ही केसेस में ये बिलाल सिद्दीकी का जीनियस है. Of course, there's still doubt. Without Mohit's tragic touch, without his ear for music, can Avarapan 2 recreate the same haunting magic? Or are we about to see a sequel that uses the name but loses the soul? Right now I'm caught between two extremes. एक तरफ डर है कि इन्होंने जड़ पीट देना है एक कल्ट क्लासिक मूवी का, और दूसरी तरफ थोड़ा होप है कि ये राइटर शायद कुछ जुगाड़ू जादू करके बचा ले.
Hey, there.
And honestly, I don't have the answer yet. Also, it's been confirmed कि दिशा पटनी भी है इसमें as a female lead. That's why I'll say this. Once the trailer drops, I'm going to break it down completely. The direction, the nuances, the music, Imran's character, everything. And only then will we know if this is good news or really bad news. Till then, I'll leave it up to you. Do you think Avarapan 2 has any chance without Mohit Suri? Or should they have never touched it at all? Write down in the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.